cordless shades, sometimes they will not raise and lower as nicely as you want them to. One thing that you want to make sure you're doing is using two hands. You put two handles on the bottom now, so you should be using two hands, especially on your wider shades, to raise and lower them evenly. Another thing you can do to reset the tension would be to lower it all the way, remove the shade off of its Velcro, and then just gently but firmly pull on the strings that are coming out of the headrail. A lot of times that will reset the tension, and then your shade will work a lot better after you do that. Okay? And one other tip that you can do inside the house is just tip this bottom pleat out and raise it like that. A lot of times that'll take a lot of the weight off the mechanism and make it a lot easier to raise and lower.